Step into the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the refined 6-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include cruise control, delay-off headlights, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and more. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.